Hi, I'm Matt from Weber, and this is the incredible Weber Summit Smart Gas Grill. The Summit grill lineup has always been the peak of Weber gas grilling, and the Summit Smart Gas Grill with SmartControl technology is going to take your grilling over the top. With this high-def touchscreen and your smartphone, you can tap, scroll, and swipe your way to perfectly grilled food. So let's take a look at that touchscreen. It has a crisp, colorful display, super easy to read, simple to navigate, and it can withstand weather, spills, and heat. So let me show you how easy it is to use. Just open the lid, touch preheat, tap the knob, and you're good to go. What used to take 5 knob turns, you can do in 2 taps. Now while the grill preheats, you can go inside and prep your food, or relax, and that's because you'll get an alert on your smartphone when the grill is ready to cook on. Now that I got the alert on my smartphone, I can control it from the touchscreen, the buttons, or my smartphone. But right now, I'm going to use that touchscreen. Choose how you want to cook, direct or indirect. Turn the knob or enter in your temperature on the keypad. And now the grill will light to your precise temperature. And if you've ever been confused about what medium, medium-high, or high heat is, this grill will show you. And check this out. When you're cooking with indirect heat, the touchscreen will show you where to place your food based on the temperature you choose. The highlighted area is where you place your food on the grate, and that really takes the guesswork out of grilling. Now while your food is cooking, feel free to multitask in the kitchen or mingle with your guests, because your smartphone will alert you when it's time to flip the food or serve it. You can also use the touchscreen to control the infrared broiler, one of the standout features of the Summit line. This broiler gets blazing hot and sends the heat down on the top of the food for edge-to-edge caramelization, just like you would find in the world's best steakhouses. It's also great for beautifully browned, crunchy tops on mac and cheese and gratins, making impressive oysters, Rockefeller, or even desserts. The touchscreen also has a manual mode, putting you in total control. All 5 burners are right here at your fingertips. Just tap or slide to adjust the heat intensity level from 1 to 10. You can also turn off individual burners. There's so much more you can do with this touchscreen and your smartphone using the Weber Connect app with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth wireless technology. As we continue to develop new features and functionality, we'll push them out to you via software updates, making this smart grill even smarter and your grilling even easier. All right, all this tech is fun, but we know sometimes you're going to want to get in control, and you can do that using the manual control buttons. Just tap the arrows up or down, and the LED lights will adjust based on the intensity that you select. You are never going to get bored cooking on this grill, because there's so many ways to go beyond the basics and explore new ways to entertain your friends and family, like this integrated heavy-duty rotisserie. As your food rotates below the infrared broiler, you're going to get golden brown, crispy outsides with juicy insides. You can even add a crisping basket for air-fried flavor on wings and Brussels sprouts. You're also going to get this large stainless steel smoker box with this grill. Fill it with your favorite wood chips and get that low and slow smoky flavor that everyone loves. And if you got ribs, you gotta have sauce, and you can warm it up right here with this handy side burner. This grill also comes with a Weber crafted frame. Just pop it in, and then you can add on pieces like a Dutch oven, wok, or pizza stone. You can even add a second frame kit and double up on pizza stones for a pizza party that will be the talk of the neighborhood. And you can transform this grill into a large griddle with our rust-resistant griddle insert. Grate out, griddle in. You'll love firing it up and making tasty smash burgers, breakfast and brunch. From the griddle back to the grates, the Summit line comes with 9mm stainless steel grates. That's going to give you big, bold, flavorful sear marks and no worries about veggies falling through. And pure blue burners. They're tapered, which means they get narrower toward the end for better gas pressure from front to back. And they're ported, which raises the flame for better efficiency, longevity, and that bright blue flame. And all of this is backed by a 15-year limited warranty and Weber's legendary customer service. The Summit Smart Gas Grill is truly the first of its kind. Cutting-edge technology, innovative cooking features, and bold, sleek style let you entertain at a smarter level. So text your friends and family and tap your way to perfectly grilled food. And try something new.